The current crypto fear and greed index stands at 64, indicating a moderate level of greed among investors. This sentiment suggests confidence, but also caution, in the market. If greed continues to rise, it could signal an overheated market, potentially leading to short-term pullbacks. Conversely, a shift toward fear might present buying opportunities for long-term holders. Overall, monitoring this index helps gauge market psychology and anticipate potential turning points over the coming weeks. Bitcoin reserves on exchanges have dropped to a 7-year low, with less than 15% remaining. This decline indicates that institutional and retail investors are holding onto their Bitcoin, reducing the available supply for trading. In the short term, this scarcity could drive prices higher as demand persists. Over the longer term, the limited supply may support a bullish trend, especially if buying pressure remains strong. Bloomberg analysts now estimate a 95% chance that XRP, Solana, and Litecoin will receive ETF approval by the end of 2025. If successful, such approvals could open doors for institutional investment, boosting prices and mainstream adoption. In the medium term, this could lead to increased market confidence and upward price movement for these assets. Robinhood is expanding its crypto offerings by launching United States stock and ETF tokens in Europe. The company aims to tokenize traditional equities. This move blurs the line between stocks and crypto assets, fostering greater on-chain financial innovation. In the short term, it could attract European investors into the crypto ecosystem. In the long term, it might accelerate mainstream acceptance of tokenized assets. A cryptocurrency-backed candidate has won the Virginia primary, signaling the growing political influence of cryptocurrency interests. This victory may lead to increased advocacy for favorable regulations and policies. In the short term, it could positively impact market sentiment by aligning crypto interests with political power, aiding long-term expansion. Vitol Group has launched a mine finance fund, amid rising competition for metals like copper. While not directly related to crypto, this development highlights the growing demand for metals essential for blockchain and tech infrastructure. It signals a broader economic context that could favor crypto's growth environment over the medium to long term. GameSquare is ramping up its crypto initiatives with new partnerships and advisory roles, aiming to leverage blockchain technology. This indicates increased corporate interest from mainstream firms in crypto's potential. Short term, it's a positive sign for crypto adoption, potentially boosting investor confidence. Botanix has launched its mainnet to support Bitcoin's ecosystem, using partnerships with Chainlink, Fireblocks, and others. This development stands to enhance Bitcoin's utility, making it more scalable and integrated. It's a bullish signal that could strengthen Bitcoin's position in the ecosystem over the medium term. Limitless has secured $4 million in funding and plans to launch new points ahead of its token generation event. This initiative reflects growing investor interest in new blockchain projects. In the short term, it could spark market excitement. However, in the medium to long term, successful launches might boost project adoption. Robinhood's expansion into European tokenized stocks marks a significant step toward blending traditional investing with blockchain. This move can demystify crypto for new investors, potentially increasing adoption. In the short to medium term, it's a positive trend for the ecosystem's integration. Pakistan's recent moves to expand its crypto sector are sparking intense regulatory discussions. This indicates growing crypto interest in emerging markets. However, uncertainties remain regarding regulation. In the short term, this could create volatility, but in the long term, clear regulations might unlock significant growth opportunities. Microsoft has signed a major deal to power AI tools for the Premier League, showcasing how global brands are leveraging cloud and AI technology. While not directly crypto-related, it signals mainstream tech adoption. Over the medium term, similar partnerships could accelerate blockchain integration into various sectors. Samsung revealed its latest foldable smartphone, integrating a built-in blockchain wallet for secure cryptocurrency transactions. This hardware upgrade makes crypto more accessible on everyday devices, potentially boosting adoption. In the short to medium term, it is a promising development for user-friendly crypto use.